So, all done. Well, it's relative. Um, so, added the final details, changed the pissing contest to money. Because money is, like, the pissing is in there, but the money is in there as well. And added some more shadows. Mm, no highlights. Keep the silhouettes, but get some more shadows on the silhouettes. And just gonna apply the polyurethane spray to kind of give it more finish durability. Finish it off like that. And that's about it. This is what the final thing looks like for right now. So went from these cutouts where I sourced the image, got the outline silhouette done, filled it in, went in on more details. After thinking about the concept, changed the concept a couple times before I got to it. Changed the concept while I was doing it. Well, not the concept. Sorry, changed execution, like certain details. I should say certain details. Yeah. So just in time for tomorrow. It's 11:57 right now. So just finish this up. Um, that's about it. That's what it looks like. Uh, yeah, I also did the Inktober before I got to that. So came in, I'm like, gotta do one every day, gotta do Inktober every day. Came in, finished this guy out, and then started working on this afternoon. So that's what I did for the whole evening, pretty much. When I got home, at like 6, 8. Started at 7. You know, use all parts of the buffalo. Use all parts of the buffalo, so the excess um, shadow stuff, I had like a whole bunch. I used it to get a background ready on something else.